Nice. You even do that sexy.
I really do.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I got several requests since I did the toy boat video to do another boat video on the pond. And I thought, one of my favorite boats has always been the jet ski, even though it's propeller driven, there's no jet on it. So it's a prop ski.
I like that sound better.
Prop ski, boom boom. So this is just a custom job. It was a toy conversion. Check this out. Flip up. There you go, ladies.
Hello.
How about that?
He's so flexible.
Check on the inside.
Oh.
Brushless outrunner motor, 6-cell LiPo. It is supposed to be 22.2 volts, but actually I've got it charged up to 26 volts, so it's going to give us a heck of a ride today. And I don't want to talk about it. I want to just get it in the water and have some fun. Beauty.
Oh.
I had my wife go in and do the lubrication of the shaft for me. You ready, buddy? 3, 2, 1. There you go. Hey, Raven wants to go. Fire up the drone, get these guys their aerial shot. All right, Mavic, bring us something awesome. You ready to rip?
I'm ready to roll.
Oh, I love that sound.
Look at that tail feather.
The roost, my love.
For some, maybe. Guess depends on where you're from.
Oh, she's got a weed dangling off the back there.
Oh.
It's okay. Let's do a figure 8 here.
Raven will go get it.
So quarter throttle. It's a 3200 milliamp hour, which will give me quite a bit of run time. Really hard to find something like this. Get that weed off the back. Wow.
Wow, that's fast.
I love how it just picks up. And it's so responsive. That long rudder on the bottom, giving it the ability just to carve. Look at the sunshine on the roof. Whoa, yeah, baby. Yeah. What a beautiful machine. And the rider, it almost like it completes the balance. Woo!
It's supposed to have a rider on it. Seems appropriate.
Yeah, I would feel funny. I did do a few videos where I just had the camera on there and gave it like the really good onboard sensation. But the rider makes it look complete. Remember when we took this out to BC and had it on the, what lake was that?
Kalamaka?
Yeah?
Kalamaka Lake?
By Shuswap, right?
Oh, that's Mara Lake.
That's right. Beautiful. Now before that battery loses too much jam, let's get a full throttle speed run in here. Oh, it just rips.
And it feels stable?
Oh yeah, so stable. As long as you're really smooth on the control, look at that. So this 6S LiPo only has a 30C discharge rate, and it's still able to move at this stability. Like all the weight is in the front. I put lots of pool noodles in there just in case on the top seat part, as well as in the boat in case they ever became separated. They both can float on their own. We ran into that issue with the toy boat the other day. Of course, I built the toy boat almost unsinkable. Woo! Look at it. Perfect. Sucking up all the grass all around it, but nothing is really getting caught in the prop yet. And it's running so smoothly. Unbelievable. The sound of it. as it skips along. That's full throttle. That was awesome. What a great day to get outside and try some boning. Did you want to try this?
No.
It's okay. Woo!
Oh, algae water.
Sun is disappearing. You don't have to film this one. Oh, something's wrong. Oh, yeah! I didn't know we could actually do tricks on this thing. Woohoo! Unbelievable! Basically, I got on top of the water, gave it some throttle, and it just started doing a donut on the water. Half throttle. Beautiful. So we can all agree you have now taken a splash from the Iwi pond.
I've got green things on me.
Yeah, you're gonna be itchy. We all appreciate your huge effort.
You're gonna be itchy?